The year 2000. The school, West Branch High. The problem, increase in the number of gangs in the area. Drugs have become more available in the area, and worst of all, grades are dropping. A solution to the problem is teacher motivation. If we could get the teachers interested in teaching, get them to break up fights, and teach them how to deliver babies, we can begin to drastic measures were needed to motivate the teachers, and drastic measures were taken. Mr. Andreani and Mr. decided to hire Matt Foley, Motivational Speaker.
Evidently, nobody thinks how you follow. We decided, I think you people decided to turn this place into a skit. Yeah. McCosky and I decided to take drastic measures. We decided to bring in a motivational speaker. For the last 3 hours, he's been in the boiler room with Mrs. Prue, smoking cigarettes and taking no notes. Mr. Matt Foley.
smart garage door openers for a living. By the way, if you need somebody to teach CPR, give me a call.
Gotcha! Mr. Campbell, can I have your input on this here situation at West Branch High School?
Well, first of all, I think we have all the help we'll ever need. Step one, we like to get rid of all the corny psychologists and motivational speakers. You know, I don't think people like you are much help. I mean, there's nothing wrong with these teachers. What's wrong with basketball? I mean, everyone looks up to sports figures, not only men like Jordan and Pippen, but also women. There's a lot of talented women out there. What's wrong with Mr. Keirn and Mr. I don't think it's the teachers that have the problem. I think it's you. Now, why don't you take your keys and go back to that van down by the river?
Is this how you all feel?
Yeah.
Speak up! Yeah! Alright then, I guess you guys can't take real motivation. Mr. Campbell can turn this group of hooligans and slackers into a first-rate education group and let it! I guess I'm done. My job is done here. Good evening. I'll be recuperating in a van down by the river.
A few months after Matt Foley's educational motivation speech was given, Mr. Campbell restored peace at the old-fashioned farm school. Although Matt has been in a mental institution for the past few years, his memory still lives on. So motivated by Matt's speech, Mr. Campbell decided to put Matt's van in the courtyard as a memorial to Matt and a reminder to the teachers to take their jobs seriously.